am I talking about? Okay. I'm at the forefront of Jamaica's digital storytelling revolution. That's so nice, see? Through creativity, consistency, and purpose-driven content, their hard work has not gone unnoticed. Them never know, so them did purpose-driven doing it. I gotta tell you that, This morning, we are proud to welcome the recipients of the Prime Minister's Youth Award for Excellence in New Media, Danger Harrison, and me never know say I saw him first name, Everett.
Yeah, Everett.
Him not Everett. Everett.
Yeah.
No, Evie, may I try to touch up the name?
Touch it up.
Everett. Evie Royal Johnson. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh, how do you feel?
Awesome.
I feel blessed.
Yeah.
I feel very awesome, feel blessed,
Yeah.
The whole works.
Evie like... Una did I watch earlier when we had talked about theater drama?
Yeah.
Yes, and uno sing.
A big singer.
Where's theater drama? Thank you.
All right.
When you started the journey, Evie, in
9
New
years
Me,
now.
9 years,
Call it 10.
did you even envision that you would be receiving this kind of honor today and being so popular like Jamaican people like them office watch something from Evie before them got in bed?
True.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Good.
Because me did manifest it. You know what I mean? Positivity. Yeah. So I manifest good things over my life and it happened.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Danger for you?
Boy.
But Danger does live her life, I see Danger in our supermarket and I say, oh, you look when you're shopping and you don't have money. And I say, watch Danger on a regular got supermarket, no money. But anyway.
Money.
Yes.
For me, though, I feel like, I'm very new to the space. I've been doing it for 4 years now. I'm very grateful. Every time they kind of expect it, like, me never expect it. Like, my fool when them call my name.
Yeah?
But I'm very grateful. I was like, what? Because I know who I was going up against, right? But I just want to big up all the nominees. I feel like we're the nation's best. Oh my God, look at me, you're pretty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I feel like we're the nation's best.
Sure.
And I'm not going to lie, I feel very, very grateful and blessed to be chosen as one of the awardees.
Yeah, because there's so many people in new media, and one of the things it recognizes is innovation and influence in digital content. And that's not easy to do, Evie, to come up with something every day that's new, that's different, that says Evie.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? How difficult is that? How challenging? Come on, people think say it's just easy for do, it's not easy for do.
Yeah, for real. But for me, it's just natural to me, so it's really challenging because when I'm in my space, it's like I just mad out with it. Yeah, man, I just have fun with it.
Yeah.
And every naturally have a talent, like every say, Danger, yo, I have to do this, and just come up with the idea on spot, like you're really good at coming up with ideas.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Very creative. Yeah, but just say, Bob Siska. Sometimes I have to add little elements, but he's really good at coming up with the concept and the ideas.
Every just say, Danger, we're going to do one foolishness.
Yeah, man.
And say,
it just work.
And it just
natural. You know?
What's been, like, since you've been doing it, Evie, and you've seen the feedback that's coming in from your fans and people who follow you, what's been, like, one of the most interesting things? Like, you read a comment or people say something to you on the road and you say, wow.
Well, when I read a comment and people say, boy, Evie, you know, see, you make me day because me did sad and them things.
Yeah.
You know, so first and foremost, I have to give God thanks for this talent.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
And I have to give thanks for you guys as well. Oliver Samuels, you, Dale Harrison, like, you guys have been so blessed for really sprinkling the water for us as a young generation, content creators. Because without, there wouldn't be a Evie Royal and it wouldn't be a Danger
Harrison,
So we have to give thanks for us. So big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up on
2020
yourself.
said,
Thank you very much. But when you talk about Oliver age group, let's talk about Oliver age group first.
All right.
And then say, and Auntie Dela, like how you're close to our age.
Yeah, all
If you please me, I beg you not do it again.
All right.
Yeah. So the producer, we want to give people a little taste of what it is that you guys do on new media. So here we go. Ready for us, Kay?
Are you put for number one? Guess what? Number one a B. No, that wrong. Number one a B. Who discovered Jamaica? None of them are rude. No. Christopher Columbus, Adi. Lipton put nanny. True, Christopher Columbus discovered Jamaica. Me know me pass, me know me get 90.
Lucifer 1 to 10.
Yeah?
True and false.
Where you put?
And pay false.
No, Lipton, a 3 true and 2 false.
1 true and pay false.
Lipton fail.
Don't it? Live a life, don't it?
No, Lipton is 3 true and 2 false. You fail.
Elephante, you put for number 20.
Skin. Yeah.
You sure?
Lipton, the question say what is the largest organ in the human body? Where you put?
Me put skeleton.
Lipton, copy too much till he copy the wrong thing. Lipton, put skeleton.
Hi, excuse me, miss.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Chic Ladies. How can I assist
Yes, hello, hi.
you? What you're looking today?
Excuse me, what's the cost for this bag here?
75,000.
Too cheap, way too cheap for me. And is it a blue dress? What's the cost for this now?
150 grand.
Excuse me?
150 grand.
Too cheap. I don't know how you do it. The things in here are way too cheap for me. It's gonna itch my skin. It's scratch. It's gonna itch my skin. Yes, and oh, I like this little pink top. You know, pink is my favorite color. Tell me this one now. You know, I hope it's in my price range. Huh?
That's a 800 US.
Too cheap. Huh. You know what? Because in here is so cheap, I'm leaving. I cannot afford. I can't afford everything in here, and because of that, I'm leaving. I need things that are very expensive. Too cheap. All of these materials, they're gonna itch my skin.
Why is she going there?
I told she can't buy nothing, yeah.
Why is she going there? She know she can't afford the things, them. Too cheap. Hey, Lipton, them bring down Lipton, Lipton classmate, them bring him down, them bring him down proper. Them say, Lipton, you always a copy. Oh my gosh. Evie and Danger, you said the award is for the younger generation.
Yeah.
What do you mean when you say it's for the younger generation?
I think the age limit it's 18 to 29. Yeah, so it's mostly for young stars who's really soaring in different categories.
Yeah.
Academics, new media. There was arts and culture.
Yeah.
A whole list of them, and that's why I said big up to all the awardees and all the nominees.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, because...
Watch a girl dress up and going up.
Yeah, man.
Too cheap. Too cheap. The outfit, they're too
No
cheap.
man, they suit them never cheap at all.
One of the things I love about what you guys do is the collaborations. You know, I say, because it tells me that you believe in the industry and not just yourself.
True.
Kind of could have just put up something by yourself.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Yeah.
Like if you call you and you say, watch, if you call me again, come on, get some of my followers. Them. How does it work?
No, man, like, to me, it's just natural.
Yeah.
And again, teamwork make the dream work.
Yeah.
So I believe that we as social media content creators we should have a good relationship.
Yes.
And make the country proud and represent our culture.
You do, and I love to see it. I love to see it.
And I mean, at the end of the day, unity is strength.
Yeah.
Right? It's one industry, and it's good when we partner and come together and create something.
Yeah.
You know, for sure. So the two are we in this together and thing.
Yeah. What's your background in doing things like this, Evie? You did drama?
No.
You never do drama?
No, never.
You just drama fight?
No, like, all right, to be honest,
Tell me.
I did really shy in school, like, I did have a stutter problem. Even now. Yeah, man, because first time when teacher called me up for y'all read, man, I'm go up there go read. Boom, boom, boom.
You rev up on it?
Yes, so I did have a stutter problem, so I never really, like, you know, express myself.
For real?
Yeah.
So what brought you out of the shell?
Yeah, and watching movie, I realize, say, you know, say, this is my thing. And from there, I just say, oh, this more.
The first one you do work, or you do the first one, the people them say, what the boy you do, man?
Yeah, man, they style me. Yeah, they style me, but a regular
Never
day.
get down to it. How? Because I want to say to all creators, everybody's not gonna love it.
True,
Yeah.
facts.
That's true.
So to young people, because some of them put up the first thing and them that get the views and the likes and them say, "Me not do no more." How would you encourage them then?
Well, first of all, I think every young creator is brave.
Yeah,
I mean,
very.
you're taking your creative idea and putting it out in the world, hoping that people
Yeah.
like it.
True.
You have to be brave to do something like that,
Yeah.
right? You're confident in it, and we have a thing where, as creatives, we're married to our ideas, and this is gonna go so great. And then you probably don't get the views, or you don't get what you want. But I feel like what I would say to any young creative is be consistent. Why me?
Consistent is
But
key.
you, I think, Evie is the king of consistency.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No man, be
Everywhere you come
consistent.
and just start
Him just
roll.
boops,
Yeah, man.
right? Be as consistent as possible. Put in the work. It might not work right now, but I promise if you be consistent and learn from your mistakes,
Yeah.
you're gonna make it. And
Yeah.
you're gonna go far, far,
Yeah.
far.
And
Yeah.
I will tell young content creators, tell your story the way you know how to tell your story. Just be natural,
Yeah.
you know?
Every, what I like particularly about your work is how you capture Jamaican people.
Yeah.
Like if you see I talk about the neighbor who love chat people, you can almost say,
Facts.
The little picnic them, you say, Now when me go to school. So I find that you are very observant
Very.
of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
then you just go. Is that the process for you?
Yeah. So I have to big up my community, Contrivance.
Big them up. Which
Wallace.
community?
Contrivance.
Contrivance.
Contrivance, big up on yourself, you know? It's in the parish of Manchester.
All right.
Yeah, so big up on yourself.
Contrivance.
Yeah.
That's all like a pure drama happening.
Yeah.
Them a run way off. Oh my God, we gotta go. Before you go, where do they find you?
They can find me on all platforms at Danger Harrison.
And where can they find
Same thing does every royal on all platforms.
Everett? That was our wonderful recipients of the Prime Minister's Youth Award for excellence. That is very important. Excellence in new media. Danger Harrison and Everett. Evie Royal Johnson from Contrivance. If me not write one story about Contrivance, I forgot to do a whole sitcom about Contrivance. Coming up next, we meet the team behind the Jamaican film Threads of Us. We soon come. Contrivance.
Nice community.
So like a